Hello supermobile fans, happy day to you all. I have something exciting to unbox today courtesy XClub Unbox Tour. XClub is a social media app where you can share valuable ideas to millions of people, win amazing gifts, and also get latest updates on tech, sports, and others in form of text, pictures, or videos like this unboxing video you are watching right now. If you are an Android user and you have not downloaded the app, kindly do that now through Google Play Store because it's not a chance to join me in this unbox tour. More details on the giveaway later. This is the Fundo W35 Smartwatch. I've been using it for almost a week now, which means I've tested the capacity of this smartwatch under different conditions. At the back are key highlights like activity tracker, heart rate, Bluetooth call, Bluetooth music, steps, and calorie counter. The display size is 1.5 inches and screen resolution is 240 by 240 square shape. It supports multiple languages and it has Bluetooth 4.0, which means the range is about 5 meters, which is manageable. The battery capacity is 380 mAh. Opening the box, you are greeted with the smartwatch inside a plastic case. This design of the smartwatch was actually inspired by the Apple Watch, which is not surprising because everyone is copying Apple these days. Underneath the plastic case are the short micro USB cable and finally the user manual, which you should read so you can know the full control functions. The frame is actually made from aluminum and ceramic, which gives it a premium look and feel. The white rubber strap is cool, but I prefer the black color, which eye stains better, and it needs 1 or 2 more holes to fit bigger hands. The overall weight is just 50 grams, which is lightweight. At the back is a well-designed sensor compartment with some specs inscriptions around it. To the right is the power and on button with a Regis label that has beauty, and it has a microphone to the side. At the left is the micro USB port with the speaker to the left. The rubber casing helps to make the watch waterproof because it has an IP67 rating. This is a generic smartwatch and so I don't expect any premium display quality, but the color and contrast is actually good. The touch response is also good. You can also adjust the brightness level, which is high enough for easy visibility under sunlight when working out. Although the bezels are quite bigger than what we have on the box. Pairing with a smartphone is quite easy. Just click on the Bluetooth icon, search new device, then click on pair new device on your phone. Finally, click on the smartphone name and then you are set and done. Subsequent pairing takes lesser time as you just need to switch on your phone Bluetooth, then under 3 seconds, it is connected. You need to install the Fundo Pro app, which provides more information and control over the smartwatch. Connecting the Fundo app to the smartwatch is also easy, after which it synchronizes with the watch. The Fundo Pro app gives you access to choose which phone apps receive notifications through the watch, and it supports all apps. It can show up to 10 notifications at a time, and I like how well it displays them for easy reading and understanding. You can also find your lost watch with the app, and in return, find your smartphone with the watch, which is cool. You have up to 10 cool watch faces to choose from, and this is my favorite, which resembles the Apple Watch style. Swiping down shows the notification panel, and swiping from any other part takes you to the menu page. I prefer the Smart Apple style launcher over the 4-app style, which gives a wider reach of apps at a glance. The Watch Settings app has some interesting functions like volume controls, sound alert types, notification controls, and some others. There's also a remote shutter app for taking photos with the smartwatch through the Fundo app, which is cool. One of my favorite functions is the Bluetooth music app, which works perfectly as you can easily control the volume, play, pause, and skip tracks. Likewise, the smartwatch also supports Bluetooth call multifunctions, which allows you to access your phone call logs, contacts, phone book, phone messages, and receive calls through the smartwatch. You don't need your smartphone to make calls because you can dial a number in the smartwatch, and the microphone and speaker provides a good call quality, but the speaker sound is a little muffled. The steps, calorie, and distance counter gives accurate readings, but the heart rate monitor is a little off in its calculations, and I don't advise you to rely on the readings. The ECG Monitor is a cool addition for the price, but I am not a medical expert to know if it gives accurate readings, but the Fundo app records the data results after each sessions. Unfortunately, there's only one sports mode which is running. During this activity, the watch provides you with 5 data to help monitor your running workout progress. But the only issue with this activity is that it drains the battery faster because it makes use of all the sensors. From my experience, you can only run this heavy running activity for about 3 to 4 hours before the battery dies. But if you are just doing some light tasks, then the battery can last you up to 7 hours on continuous usage. Standby time is 3 days. There's a power saving mode which only just dims the display. There are other cool functions like the sedentary mode, deep sleep tracker, alarm clock, and others. There are some cool gesture motions, one of which allows you to shake to wake the screen, but the sensitivity is too high and you can't adjust it. In some cases, I turn it off to save battery. And now back to the giveaway. I'm excited that you can also join this unbox tour experience by commenting on this video. All you have to do is to comment with your XClub ID along with "I love to join the XClub Unbox Tour," and I'll be picking 3 users to join me on this tour ride. That is, you get to win cool gadgets like this smartwatch. Head on to the XClub platform and register now. For bonus points, you need to like this video and subscribe to this channel. With all things said and the test carried out on the Fundo smartwatch, I would rate it a 7.5 out of 10. You can get this smartwatch for about 13,000 naira or $25. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Remain humble and stay safe. Bye.